Greetings everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Stefan. In today's video we're gonna unbox the DJI MINI 3. As you can see, we have a RB on the box. Probably wondering what's going on, why there's a RB. Well, this drone, ladies and gentlemen, is refurbished. I purchased this drone from the official DJI website and the price, £270. Original price of the drone on Amazon.com right now is £333. You can buy a refurbished item, and the reason I bought the refurbished item is just to see if there's any difference if you buy a brand new drone directly from Amazon or DJI. So let's unbox it. What actually do we get? Do we get exactly the same content if you buy this drone brand new? Now I need to remove the seal, and now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we have in the box. So we have the drone. I just want to see if all the items that you get are here. So we have a silky gel. I'm gonna leave the drone on the side. So I'm gonna leave it here. So this is the content that you get in the box. So you have cables for different types of phones. We have paperwork, extra propellers. Everything is like brand new, which is pretty cool. This is the cable that you can charge the batteries. Now let's check the controller because I'm very excited to see if there's any marks or any... This looks brand new. There is no any smudges. Everything looks perfect. Let's check the DJI MINI 3. Basically, you get 20% from a refurbished unit, and pretty much you get the same items. Okay, so this is the drone, as you can see. Let's unfold it. Always scary first time when you do that, because you're not sure if there's any problems. Let me see if I can focus properly. There's a lot of stickers on the drone, as you can see. And this is the battery, as you can see. So you need to flip that and get the battery as well. Comes with one battery, which is pretty cool. And this is the drone. Yeah, this is the first video for the channel. So if you want to know more about this drone, please make sure to subscribe, like the video. Many videos are coming in the channel all about drones, tricks, tips, aerial footage, and many more. But yeah, this is very good. So £270 for this drone. So there we have it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you like to see? I'm gonna do my first flight in the next video. If you have any tips, any ideas, let me know. But overall, this is the DJI MINI 3 late 2024 refurbished unit, not sponsored from DJI. £270 right now. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.